Hey everyone, I hope that you are enjoying a lot. Now, this is the point that we need to create our ad copy for our campaign. We have done with our campaign setting and all the rest of the information. So you just quickly navigate towards the final URL here, and here you need to specify your landing page or website URL which you are targeting now, and then you need to specify your business name. The business name information can be, let's say, the Asim Numan Lodi. I'm just specifying my name, and as per your product and services, you can specify any of the name, let's say online digital marketer or the YouTube coach, but that should be between the 1 to 25 character now. So you need to make sure this thing, then scroll down, and after that, this is the tricky area now. Here you need to add some images and the logos for your ad copy creation. And as you can see that if you just click on the upload and then choose the file from upload, and here I am just keep trying to uploading some of the images which I am interesting for my Google Display Network campaign. So I am just selecting the multiple the images. So okay, that's fine now. So it will take few seconds, so you can see that their sizes, so you make sure that the sizes should be as per the Google recommendation. So if you just keep your mouse on the question mark here, you will be able to getting the clear-cut idea that what exactly the different kinds of the formats the Google requirements for the images and the logos now. So you need to make sure this thing that make sure that all the sizes should be as per the Google recommendation. Now, otherwise, what will happen now on real time, you will not be able to get a better result, and your ad copy will be creating a lot of issues now. So just try to make sure that the minimum requirement for the landscape size, the square size, and the logo size, like to 1200 multiplied by 300, and the square size is the minimum requirement, and the maximum requirements, each and every detailed information you will be able to find very easily now. So after that, I'm just selecting the images. So click here. So as per the dimension, there are two options, the image and the logo. So on the logo and image, I just select on the image one, and okay, select the 1 ratio here, and then for the end selecting another image, and this time I'm using this one as for my logo. And after that, the image one is I'm not selected, so only I'm going for the logo one now. So after that, click on the select to ratio, and then I'm also selecting the more images. The more the images, if I will be selecting, I also strongly recommend that select at least 5 to 8 images with the different kinds of messages, and then click on the select to ratio. That will be creating a lot of curiosity, and the customer will definitely come on your funnel, and they will be clicking on your image ads and moving towards your landing pages now. So why we are doing these activities and creating the multiple image ad is to grab the attention of our expected customer. So if they will not like our one image message or the second image message, so they will come with our different kinds of the image messages now. So just click on the save button, and after that you will be able to see the preview here, and you see that how the ad is look like. So here the mobile, how the ad will be keep displaying on the desktop. If you just click, so here these are the different formats. You will be able to getting the clear cut idea how my ad will be keep displaying. And if I just navigate towards my channel, and if I just try to select any of my video, why I am selecting the video, because I want to integrate my video link with the uploading the video as well now. So just click on the video, and for the video, let me copy the URL. Okay, I copy it now and navigate again, and then click on the videos, and here you need to specify the URL of your YouTube channel video. So just click on enter, and oh, this is the video I'm interested in now. So I just selected one and then click on the save button, and after that you will be able to see that how my ad will look like on the mobile and all the different Google Display Networks now. So I'm pretty much good in these areas now. This is the time for creating compelling heading, and the more the headings you will be creating, the more the better the chances the end customer will be able to know what exactly we are selling them now. So here you need to explain more values, more benefits, that why people are taking your course, which makes them curiosity that this is the course or this is the product and services we need to select now. So I would like to strongly recommend that create at least 5 headings in a similar way. The more the headings you have, the more your ad will be creating in a very good shape. And after selecting and specifying these 4 to 5 headings, then you need to go with the rest of the areas, like adding at least 4 to 5 description in the same way. So that will be creating good chances. You can see the ad strength is images I have uploaded, the video uploaded, and the heading is really under progress. And after specifying all these information, then I need to fulfill the rest of the information, like the description, and the description should be also to the up to the mark. And the more the headings and the more the description and the more the information we will be keep specifying and providing, the better the chances we will grab the attention of our expected customers now. So here the description, you need to make sure that the character length should be between the 90 character. And I'm also specifying more information, like learn more for certified Google partner, and just creating the curiosity for my clients that they must click and select my product and services. So this is the way you can also select, and you can also specify in a similar way. Now the more the information, as I already told, the more the description we will be adding, the better the chances the customer will come up on our funnel now. So after specifying this, let's see the ad strength now. Wow, wonderful, it's going to show me the good. So this means we are on right track. So this is the way you need to go in a similar way now. So after specifying all these information in detail, now I'm just adding the final description as well now. So you can also add that one later on yourself. I just show you the idea how you need to go with your all these steps and specify the information, so your ad will be having in a very consolidated way, will show different formats. So click on the more button, navigate here, and then select on the call to action text button. So after that, click on here and then specify the learn more or contact us, whatever the option you are interested now. So you need to specify, and after that just see that how ad look like, and then click on the next button now. So here you will be able to see that your ad group 1 information will be presenting that this is the ad group 1. And you can say that the similar concept which I was telling you, the kids collection, kids ads, and remember that kids ads and plus the adult ads group. So you can select and publish the campaign in a similar way. So this is the one ad group I created, and you can add another ad group after reviewing publishing this campaign now. So wow, wonderful, congratulations, your campaign is ready right now. And you can add one more ad group, and I would like to let you know how you can create the another ad group. If you just also navigate towards again the ad groups, as keep showing you in the left side, so you can click and navigate towards the ad group in a similar way, and can create another ad group now. So just click on the ad group. So here you see that the one ad group we just created now, and you can create another ad group for creating the another target audience as per your needs, wants, and expectations now. So I was just keep showing you the one real-time practical example, and this example will help you how you can create the multiple ad groups, and under the umbrella of ad group, how you can create the multiple ad groups, and how you can edit the ad. As just you have seen that if you creating any kind of mistake, you can update the information, and you can also update as per your expectation now. So currently, if I am interested that something I went wrong, so again I can scroll down and update any of the information, whatever it will be. Let's say if I mistakenly specified, so here is the part, and then after that I'm just going back and leave everything, not updating anything now. So this is the way you can go and click on your campaign again, and then the ad group. So the pencil icon is the one which will help you to create a new ad group now. And again, you need to repeat the similar steps and create the ad group, target audience, and the ad group now. So these are the pretty much straightforward steps. You just need to focus and follow the best practice which I coach you, and the rest of the options will be very easy to understand now. So I hope that you will be able to getting the clear cut idea how to create the multiple ad groups and how to grab the attention of your expected target audience now. So looking forward to have another session, and I am very much excited that you are learning something for my course, and never forget to share your valuable feedback on my course. Thank you so much, and see you in our upcoming session.